Increase what you can see and access in File Explorer in Windows 11 by making a very simple change. Once you've opened up File Explorer under View, simply select Compact View and watch what happens. The spacing in between the items has been decreased, and lots more things are available that you can now access that weren't available before starting Compact View. Let me show you the difference by going back and changing it back to not using Compact View, and you do that by again selecting Compact View. When it's checked, Compact View is enabled. Select it again, it will disable, and watch the spacing and what's available to actually access in File Explorer. As you can see, there's a whole lot less here than there will be if Compact View is enabled. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.